Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at adding a new library to your image library, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini-series on the image library, which we're busy covering, and also I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, in the previous video, we had a look at the overview of the image library, and today we're going to start digging into actually using it. So first of all, what we want to do is obviously open it. So to do that, you want to navigate your main menu on top, go to File, and then we navigate till we find the image library over here. Click that and it will open your image library. So now on the left here we've got the library name, and this is pretty much the libraries we'll have will be listed over here. So now in order to add a new one, we're going to go to the new library. You can also open pre-existing ones, but this will normally only happen after you've actually made some. So first things we want to do is click new lib, for short for library, and then we want to name this. Now you guys will notice there's two names here. It's lib name and lib file name. So basically library name and library file name, this will be what's on your computer, and this will be what it's named as under here. As far as I remember, once you start typing it, it's gonna pretty much fill in your file name as well. So I'm gonna make two different examples here. So we're gonna make one for images, so like raster type images, and one for vector type shapes. So I'm simply just going to call perhaps one image or images, and then as you see the bottom one changes automatically, but if you change this one, it does not change the top one. So if you want it to be named something else on your computer, you can do that, or let's say you want it to be lowercasing on your computer, you can do something on that line. But I'm just going to call this images, leave it exactly the same, click OK. Now you will see here under our library names, the name just appeared, so we have one library already. Now let's make the new one. A good name might be something like vector, but I'm going to call mine shapes, even though we have shapes in our images as well. But just for simplicity's sake. So we call this shapes, and that's going to be my vector shapes. Now, as you can see, we've got both our libraries here. Now, let's say for some reason you made one that, like you have another library you're not going to use. You can always simply select that library, and then you go here to delete lib or delete library. If you click that, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete the library? You just say OK, and then it removes it for you. Now, once you're done at this point, I would recommend already saving. Some people will wait till you've got images in, but you know, it's so easy to forget to save. So this will be as a start. So I'm going to go save lib, and then we save this one to what we want to call it to. So let's make it images, and then we go to this one, we save it, and we call it shapes. You'll see the extension for that is lib as well. And there you go, we've got the one saved. And now next up, what we want to do is import images, so we can actually have stuff in our library. Now this is a bit of a tricky topic, but I will cover it in the next video, and a good way to go about it. Now otherwise, if we head here to the website softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and also you can isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.